Let's take a ride on the elevator at Nordstrom at Ross Park Mall. It's a 2008 Schindler 330A. Enjoy the video. It has Vandal resistant, and subscribe. DXRock17, let me know. This is the elevator at the Nordstrom store at Ross Park Mall, and this is in Ross Township, Pennsylvania. HC premium lanterns, veil resistant fixtures, empty down up key. Here is your here it is. Oops. Yeah. You're welcome. Enter the elevator. Go up to 2.
Shovel in the snow before it gets dark out.
Door close button does not work. Here we go. Now it's closing.
There's a light on the ceiling. Okay.
Not during the video. This runs pretty nice, actually. Oop! Low on oil. This low on oil. Whoa! The heck was that? Ring the bell?
No, like that.
Back down to 1. 3,500 pound capacity. Actually running in pretty nice. Dad, don't.
Am I bouncing the elevator?
No. No bouncing. HT veil resistant, hands-free, ADA code compliant phone. Your certificate, that's it. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and give the video a thumbs up. DXRock17, let me know how I did on this video.